For 6 years, the waters of Trincomalee have borne witness to excellence, a global gathering of the finest young naval officers, where seamanship meets spirit and the sea forges unbreakable bonds.
Sailing, it goes beyond competition, not only just as a sport, it also provides a platform to build relationship, build teamwork, to foster camaraderie. It provides a unique platform teams can work together and develop further.
The Commandant's Cup Sailing Regatta. 2026 marks the 6th turning of this storied wheel. 2018 bore the Cup's maiden voyage, a vision cast by the Sri Lanka Navy to forge a tide where tomorrow's leaders compete, connect, and rise as one. 2018 and 2019, 2 years of sealing acclaim that this was not a contest of boats, but a nation's bold footprint on the global tide. Year 2023, the third rising, the return of oars and ensigns, from sailors across from the world, shoulder to shoulder, and Trincomalee glittered once more under the gaze of many nations.
I'm Officer Cadet Sergeant Khalid from Pakistan Naval Academy. My stay at Sri Lanka has only been for 2 days, but I'm absolutely loving it. The people here are very hospitable. The views are breathtaking. The harbor cruise yesterday was so much fun. The water is so pretty and clean. I'm enjoying this to the fullest.
2024 marked the 4th gathering. 4 nations, 22 young prospects. Waves bore witness to sharper contests and warmer camaraderie. 2025 brought the 5th tide. 8 nations side by side. 33 young leaders. Days of salt-sprayed valor.
First, I will tell my thank you and gratitude to the Sri Lanka. I think this event can be very positive effect on the relation of between the nations.
This is my first international experience in sailing regatta. I hope to be a win today's race.
Yeah, it was great. I'm glad to have the opportunity to compete with other cadets and junior officer of other navies, and yeah, I'm glad to have fun with them.
The regatta had grown beyond a race. From a local gathering to a global stage, the Commandant's Cup has written its story. Not in ink, but in wake. Today, the regatta stands tall among the region's finest sailing regattas. It is a bridge laid upon the sea, where navies meet not as strangers, but as kin in the fellowship of tides. The regatta measures more than speed. It measures character, not merely who crosses first, but who rises together. On the water, they clashed with passion. On the shore, they stood as one, competitors in race, brothers in spirit. Gold, silver, bronze. The medals tell a story of extraordinary talent. But the real victory is the camaraderie that transcends borders. Regatta's true signature is woven in the wake of boats, sealed in the clasp of hands, and carried far beyond the finish line. No spectacle springs from silence. Behind each flawless start, each safe return to shore, are the tireless few who ask for no applause. Through the years of regatta, Sri Lanka Navy is steadfast. Naval and Maritime Academy is precise. Dedication is unbroken. And excellence is uncompromised. Behind every flawless edition stood the Yachting Association of Sri Lanka, weavers of order and keepers of rhythm, with the certainty of tide and time. The regatta became more than a race. It became a call, a movement born of salt and signal. The 6th horizon breaks. bigger than memory, bolder than expectation, and broader than any tide before. The Commandant's Cup no longer sails alone. It carries the hopes of maritime partners. The Navy looks ahead with confidence that the regatta will gather ever wider. The best tides are yet to come. The Commandant's Cup. 6 years of legacy, a future of excellence. We invite the world to set sail with us.